Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your contact list is cluttered with duplicates, I'm here to help you clean it up. Let's get started on how to delete duplicate contacts on your iPhone. Unlock your iPhone and open the contact app from your home screen. Scroll through your contact list to identify any duplicates. You will see a message at the top of the contact telling you about duplicate contacts on your phone. You also see it at the bottom. Kindly click on it. You are given two options, either to merge all or ignore it. Merge duplicates. And if you wish to delete it, click on the contact and press edit at the top right corner of the contact. Scroll down to the bottom of the contact details and delete it. For a quicker method, you can use a third-party app like Cleaner for iPhone or Contacts. Download one from the App Store. Follow the application instructions to find and delete duplicates. And that's it guys, you successfully cleaned up your contact list by deleting duplicates or merging them. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye bye.